guys, welcome back to my channel. Today Mary Ellen is here with me to show you guys how to do the cross-sided pigtails. So let's get on to this video. To do this hairstyle, you guys will need one mini spray bottle, a hairbrush, a few hair ties, and varieties of clips. So to start this hairstyle, you take a little bit from this and you have to braid that thing down. So you separate it into three and put the middle over the right, and then the right is now in the middle, so you just have to keep swapping. This hairstyle does work best with long hair. So you want to braid it all the way down, and take one of your clips and then just like put it together, and then go on this side and take another bit of the hair and do the same thing. Okay, so then you guys come back to this side and take a little bit more from this side and braid that down. So then, since you did it the second time, you guys want to braid it a bit less down. So like this one was about right here. So then I would probably want it to be about right here. And then take it to be about right here. And then take another one of your clips and just secure that. And go back on this side and then do it again. On both sides, the braids do not have to be like equal. So it doesn't have to be exactly the same. And then do that one more round with these two sides. And then anywhere that as you're braiding you find tangled, just undo those because the braids should be as equal as possible, but they don't have to be. One here, one here, and one here. And on the other side, one here, and one here. Then you guys want to take the middle and brush that. And then take this and about like across it, leave it right there, and then undo this and re-put it with a little bit more hair. Like that. And then the first one of that side, you want to bring it here, like that. And then put that with that too. And then go over here again and put this like that. And then you kind of just have to keep kneading back and forth with yours. Take your last one and bring it over here. Last one here. Bring it over here. So then you can see, if you turn it, that there's 1, 2, and 3 like this. And then so that. And then take this and take one of the clips and put those 3 together. And then take these one by one and bring them here. The same like this. But before you start that part, just secure it in the hair so that you know which side is which. And then the bottom hair that you have, you want to split that in half like this. And so the side you're working with, you take that and go like this, 3 braids in, and you kind of just have to so braids that are on this side will have to stay on that side. And then so these 3, you bring them over here and add them in there. And then you braid those down like that. Kind of just like, you want to braid it, since you can kind of see them now, you want to braid it so that they're about equal. And then take one of your hair ties and secure that down at the bottom. Like that. And then take the 3 that were on this side and bring them over here. And then with that hair, you want to braid that down. that. And then you just want to braid it down until you have it about to how you want it. Take one last hair tie and put it around this. Like that. And that's your hairstyle. Bye guys, see you guys next time.